Hi, my name is Sandeep and today I want to show you how X-ray inspection can show off defects on PCBs like this. Now let's load the sample. Let's begin by looking at a BGA device. The first thing I notice on this BGA package is the variation in ball size. The pins in this corner are smaller than the pins in this corner. And to verify this, I can very quickly do a diameter measurement. So with one click, the software can measure the diameter of each ball. And in this corner, you can see the size of each connection is smaller than the size of the connections in this corner. This is a clear indication of package warpage, and the likely cause of this is this component here. Next, we're going to look at the BGA from an angle. So I'm going to move to 70 degrees and zoom into my connections. Here we can see the consequence of a warped package. The connections are stretched and deformed. In this area of the BGA, we can see good connections where there's two interfaces to each of these. We can see one connection on this side and another connection on this side. These two connections here are highlighting the head and pillow defect, because we only see one connection on one side of these pins, but no connection on the other side. This is because the solder on the pad has not fused with the BGA ball itself. Next, I'm going to have a look at a surface mounted IC. Here on this top-down X-ray image, I can clearly see voiding in the solder, and also this defect here showing no solder on the pad. But to verify this defect, I can go and have a closer look. And this image here verifies that this pad has no solder. Next, I'm going to have a look at some SOT23s. This image clearly shows misplacement in two components. This one here and this one here, and the one in the center is showing a correctly placed component. For a closer look, I can go to a higher magnification. Again, this package is showing misplacement and we're seeing no solder on this pad at all. X-ray is also great for looking at through-hole connectors, and here's an example. In this X-ray image, we can see excessive voiding in the solder. We can see an open pin, and also we can see a through-hole barrel with no solder fill at all. Next, I'm going to look at a QFN device. In this image here, we can see excessive voiding in the QFN. We can also see defects such as bridging between pads, here, here and here. But to analyze the voids further in a multi-layered QFN such as this one, we need to use X-plane to separate the layers. X-plane shows us all the different layers to the QFN separately, and I can do voiding analysis on any one of these layers very quickly. As you can see, X-ray is a very powerful non-destructive inspection tool for proving product quality.